In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do idea research with Gumloop 2025 tutorial. By the end, you'll have a repeatable workflow that finds topics from the web, turns them into clear ideas, and saves them where your team can use them. Start by logging into Gumloop and clicking Create Workflow. Give your workflow a clear name so it's easy to find later. For example, you might call it Idea Research YouTube Topics. Names that include the audience or channel make it easier to reuse the same setup across projects. Next, choose where you want Gumloop to look for ideas. Great sources include Google search results, Reddit, YouTube, blogs, forums, product review sites, and social platforms. Add a browser or web search step, then craft a specific query so you get high signal results. For instance, you could use Gumloop automation ideas, site, reddit.com to pull conversations with real user pain points. Go ahead and open the top results that look relevant. As a tip, try different keyword angles and include your niche or audience type to keep the results focused. Always follow each site's terms and respect rate limits. Now tell Gumloop what information to extract. Add an extract text or scrape data step and target the sections that matter most for ideation. Headings and post titles reveal the theme. Comments expose questions and frustrations, and engagement indicators like likes or replies help you prioritize. Save these outputs as variables so you can reference them in later steps. Clean structure here pays off later, so keep labels consistent and avoid pulling personal data you don't need. With the raw material captured, let AI do the heavy lifting. Add an AI step and use a prompt that directs the analysis. Ask it to analyze the extracted content, identify recurring problems, suggest 10 content ideas, rank those ideas by potential interest, and explain why each one matters. The clearer you are about your audience and goals, the better the output. Gumloop will convert noisy text into actionable ideas you can use immediately. To raise the quality bar, add a condition or filter step. Keep ideas tied to posts with engagement above a threshold. Prioritize mentions of pain or frustration, and surface questions that appear multiple times. This helps remove low signal noise and duplicate topics. Send the final list somewhere useful. Connect your preferred output, such as Google Sheets, Notion, Airtable, Slack, or email, and map fields like idea title, the underlying problem, a source link, and a score. That way your team can scan, sort, and act quickly. Finally, schedule the workflow. Add a schedule trigger and run it daily, weekly, or monthly. Now your idea bank grows automatically and you'll never start from a blank page again.